Hi everybody, this is your announcement for May 4th. May the 4th be with you. I couldn't resist doing that for Philosophy 201. Okay, first of all, I want to thank everybody who posted a comment about spirituality in response to the question that I asked in my announcement last week. I enjoyed reading your replies to that, and I will be grading the discussion that you completed last week, this week. Okay, so we are getting down to close to the end, really now, of the semester. This week is the last week of classes, and then the week after that is finals week. So for this week, you will be working on a journal assignment, which is in Module 5.2. And I'm going to show that to you. So this is the overview page. Okay, so this is going to be over the topic of religion and religious belief, as we were discussing last week. Okay, so let me just open this for you. The assignment is in this document. And again, now you've done one journal in the past, so this will be a little bit more familiar to you, but this asks you to be self-reflective. So once again, as best you can, your response to the questions that I ask, take what is said in the assigned readings and apply those ideas to your own life by discussing situations and circumstances that you have experienced. Okay, and it's okay to use I in journal assignments. All right, so your response to each of my questions should be 1 to 2 paragraphs with 3 to 5 sentences in each, written in standard English. Spelling and grammatical errors should not be there when you submit. Okay, so there are 2 questions to this journal, all right, and you're required to address both questions. Make sure you do that. There were a few people in the last group of journals who did not address both questions. So make sure you have this assignment sheet right next to you when you're doing this work. Okay, so the first question is, what is the basis of religious belief? So in other words, and this sort of goes back to the question I asked in my announcement, why do you think people believe? I mean, what's the foundation, okay, for religious belief? All right, in your opinion, why do people believe? Okay, then the second question is, which of the readings in Module 5.1 is most similar to the beliefs you hold about religion? Explain why the reading is more similar to your beliefs. So that would be the readings by Kierkegaard and Martin Buber. Okay, so again, on this journal, make sure that you incorporate and base your answers on the readings that we have done. Okay, don't just go off on a tangent and give me your own belief system, which, I'm interested in that, but it needs to be tied into the readings that we've done. Okay, so that's what we're doing. This is the criteria for grading: accuracy and completeness. Okay, how accurately does your response answer all of the questions using details or examples? So try to be specific. Try to give me examples from the reading, okay, and details from your life experiences to support what you say. And then clarity. How clearly is your essay written? Okay, so make sure there are no spelling or grammar errors in your writing. All right, and once again, you can use visual illustrations as a support to your journal. And last time a couple of people did this, and I think it was really effective. All right, so think about that. And again, remember, the visual images are not to be a substitute for your journal written response, but it's meant to support what you say. Okay, so this kind of makes it a little more interesting. All right, so that is your assignment for this week. Now, just looking ahead to finals week, I won't go into this in great detail, but I want to encourage you to look ahead to the next module, okay, which is module 6. And so instead of a final exam, I'm giving you kind of a final project to do, and it's called a personal philosophy presentation, and it's going to be your chance to share what your personal philosophy is based on the readings that we have completed in this class over the whole semester. So, start thinking about that this week if you can, okay? And I would encourage you to go ahead and go into the module and just take a look at what is going on. Okay, there's your overview, but go ahead and start looking at the instructions. Okay, now next week, in the next announcement I give, I will explain that project to you in more detail and go over it with you. Okay, all right, so that's what we're doing. Your question for this week is, tell me this. What are you going to do for yourself in order to finish the semester strong? Okay, so think about that and post the comments below this announcement. I'm also going to give you a special little bonus, another bonus video to watch. It's just for fun. It's from Monty Python, kind of a silly British comedy group, but very smart British comedy group. And it's a video that they made called Philosopher's Football Game. And it's pretty funny. So I hope you enjoy it. If you're a soccer fan, you might enjoy it too, because football in this case refers to a soccer game. So just imagine, what if, the Western philosophers, actually Confucius is in it, he's the referee. What if all these great philosophers got together to play a football match? Okay, I will see you one more time for next week. Thank you. Have a good week. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me. And stay safe. Bye.